where we are to greet the players for this exhibition match. So request all the guests, let us enter this pickleball arena as going to start with the pickleball game. बाकीच्या मानेस्तांक विनंती करता की तांणी परत एकदा हे जे पिकलबॉल एक्झिबिशन मॅच आसा ते प्लेयर्स रेडी आसात तांकां बेस्ट विशेस दिवपाक आमी कारवाय अफजल नाथ चेतन देसाई सर अब्दुल माजीद सय्यद आणि ऑड्री मिनेजीस तुका विनंती करता की सगळ्यांनी मातशें बेगीन येवचें जेणे करून आमी उर्बेभरीत परबी आसात बेस्ट विशेस ती आसा ती आमी ह्या वेळार सगळे प्लेयरांक भेटयतले आमचे सगळे मानेस. तर हे प्लेयर्स आसात बिपिन कंटक, जेनिफर नोरोना, वानिया वेग, स्वप्नील नेसरकर, कपिल कामत आणि वेंसल साऊ फेर्नांडीस. One photo with these players.
Good save,
Dignitaries with pickleball players at this newly inaugurated facility.
सगळे जमिल्ले जे फातोडेकार जे आसा तांकां रिफ्रेशमेंट जो आसा ताजो हांगा आस्वाद दिल्लो आसा. रिफ्रेशमेंट तुमी डेफिनेटली घेवचें. खास करून तुमी वेळ दिवन हांगा आयिल्ल्या बद्दल तुमकां सगळ्यांतले आमी मनकाळजांतल्यान उपकारी आसा आणि मन धादोस करून तुमी ह्या वेळार वचचें हेंच आमचें ध्येय आसा आणि तुमी रिफ्रेशमेंटाचो आस्वाद घेवचो. देव बरें करूं.
Led by Derek Pereira,
Abdul Puttan,
Mariano Dias, Mickey, Clifford, Nathan Peen, Climax, Lawrence, Nicolau, Andrade, Philip. That's one of the teams, and the referees being introduced to the guests. The other team, we have Virant in goal, Samir Naik, Stanley, Alex, Remus Gomes, Viviano Fernandez, Ivan and Santan.
We're going to do referees for this special exhibition match. Sir.
Is to inaugurate the futsal ground, what we have done, and we have just seen the inauguration being done, the speeches being done, and it is a community development which our Honorable MLA has done, which I think the Fatorda youth should take use of it. As Vijay has also mentioned that for the first 6 months it will be free. We are not going to charge anything, but we are not going to misuse the facility, which is not going to be accepted. We will try to keep a watch on it because this has to be used by generations to come. And wishing, as I said, wishing good health for the development work what Vijay is doing, and hope we Fatordekas use this facility to the maximum advantage of it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Today's match between
Our matches are, most of them are internationals who are come here, which is another big proud moment for us, Fatorda. There are internationals like Derek Pereira, Samir Naik, Clifford Miranda, Climax Lawrence, Ramos Gomes, all of them who have come down here. So that is a proud moment for us, and I hope this inauguration which has been done by them will be continued by our future generation from Padota.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.